For this problem, we need to find the derivative, and to do that, we're going to use the product rule. Notice we have this being multiplied by this, so we're going to use a product rule. And so we can say u equals 5x minus 2 to the 5th power, and v equals 4 minus x to the 4th power raised to the 5th power. Now, while we are trying to do the product rule, we're going to see that we have to do a chain rule as well, okay? Because I have something raised to a power. So my u prime, in order to find what that is, we're going to do a power rule. Or sorry, a chain rule. Okay, so for our chain rule, we're going to say that we have 5x minus squared to the 5th power. To do the chain rule on that, we take the 5th power and multiply it out front. 5 times 5x minus 2 raised to the 4th power. So I've done the power. And then I have to take the derivative of the inside part. So the derivative of 5x minus 2, derivative of 5x is 5, and the derivative of minus 2 is 0. So I multiply this by the derivative of 5. So cleaning it up, I can multiply the 5's together, giving me 25 times 5x minus 2 to the 4th power. There's my u prime. Similar for v prime, I am going to use the chain rule and multiply this 5 out front. Okay, and decreased what was a 5th power to a 4th power. And then I multiply that by the derivative of the inside. Derivative of 4 is 0. And the derivative of minus x to the 4th power, we multiply this 4 in front. I get minus 4x, which is now raised to the 3rd power. Okay. So cleaning this up, I can multiply the negative 4 times the 5, which is negative 20, times x cubed. Of course, we don't need that parentheses. Let me just go ahead and omit that. Times 4 minus x to the 4th power raised to the 4th power. Okay, so now the derivative of my function, y prime, we take u prime times v, so there's u prime, times v, okay, plus v prime times u. So we'll have plus negative 20 x cubed times 4 minus x to the 4th power to the 4th power. So there's v prime. Multiply that by u. Okay, here in the middle we have plus a minus, so of course we can go ahead and just make that a minus sign. You don't need to have plus a minus. So minus.